It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, October 20th. I'm James Spann coming to you from the National Weather Association annual meeting in Oklahoma City. I'll be back tomorrow, back to the two-a-day schedule. But Alabama's weather stays quiet for the rest of this week. Let's check things out. This morning, that's a water vapor satellite view. Big trough in the southwest United States. That'll be stirring up some problems there. But around here, ridging beginning to build. That means a warming trend for the rest of this week. And accordingly, it's not as cold this morning. Mostly 40s and low 50s. A few of the colder pockets are in the 30s. But we'll warm up today. We wind up in the low to mid 70s this afternoon. Beautiful fall day. Still got some frost advisories east of the state from North Georgia over through the Carolinas. And off to the west, flash flood watches in effect for parts of West Texas. And also in that zone, severe thunderstorms a possibility today. The standard slight risk over parts of New Mexico, some of the adjacent states. That includes El Paso, Texas. And a marginal risk surrounding that because of the upper trough. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk in that same area, parts of West Texas and New Mexico. But still quiet here for the next 5 days. I do believe this is the 11th consecutive day with no measurable rain. And the stretch continues for 5 more days. This is valid through Sunday morning, but huge rains over parts of Texas and Oklahoma. And the question is, will rain creep in here before the weekend is over? And we'll address that as we go. Tropical weather, little disturbance in the far western Caribbean. The thing will be drifting across the Yucatan over into the Bay of Campeche. But obviously, with the track over land, that's not going to develop anytime soon. So let's look at modeling. Model fans. Here we go. This is the 06 ZGFS, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. You can see the upper low that's over the southwest United States, but ridging beginning to build in here. And for us, again, a beautiful day, sunny with low to mid 70s. Tomorrow, again, we'll expect a good supply of sunshine, mid to upper 70s. Thursday, the high around 80. And again, the sky will stay mostly sunny. And this is Friday, the end of the week. We're still rain-free. We note a deep surface low over the Dakotas with a trailing front with showers well to the west. But around here, Friday, warm and dry. Low to mid-80s. That'll be the warmest day for the rest of the month. And Saturday could be pretty warm, too. We could see 80, maybe 81 or 82 Saturday afternoon. We'll call it partly sunny. Showers west of the state Saturday. Again, Auburn plays up at Arkansas, and needless to say, you want to take the rain gear up to Fayetteville. Dallas-Fort Worth looks pretty wet, but for us, we think the day will be dry here and warm. So Alabama hosting Tennessee should be warm and dry. Low 80s are likely in Tuscaloosa at kickoff there. Now, it's race weekend at Talladega, and obviously everything's fine through Saturday. Sunday is the big question. This is the GFS. It looks pretty good for Talladega, keeping the rain just to the west. And we'll check the European just for the fun of it, and it's doing the same thing. It's got the rain wet west of the state. I still think the course of action for forecasters here is to mention a chance of showers Sunday. And if this trend continues, we can kind of just ease that out. But for the moment, I'd say the chance of rain at the superspeedway looks relatively small at the moment. That's good. And temperatures on Sunday, highs probably mid-70s. And this is Monday of next week, and then the trough eases in here, and that looks kind of showery, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. And we'll probably stay in the 60s on Monday because of the clouds and maybe some rain at times. And this is Tuesday. You can see the trough axis rotating through here. Still maybe a few lingering showers. And again, highs would drop into the 60s with a pretty chilly 1035 high over the Great Lakes nosing in here. Here's the end of the forecast. This is October 29th. Ooh, look at the trough west of the state. But that looks dry with a surface low off the Atlantic coast and showers off to the west. Temperatures, you can see we peak at the end of this week. Friday, Saturday, we could see low 80s, but then next week, highs dropping in the 60s and lows dropping in the 40s. Very refreshing fall weather. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Due to travel, again, just one video today. Back to the two-a-day schedule tomorrow. And if you can, catch Megan Thomas this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.